Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, April 1st, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures flying higher by 20.5 points right now to 28.58 and a quarter per contract. All in all, the futures have been really steadily gaining. If you take a look at the overnight chart, right around the open of the futures last night at 6 o'clock. So, again, futures holding steady here. It looks like it's on the back of some news coming out of China. They had their PMI results. It came in at 50.5. The street was looking for 49.5. Any reading over 50 tells us that they are expanding, and markets like that news. So, all in all, China giving the U.S. markets and the global markets a little bit of a lift here. So we'll see how today plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started. First off the bat, let's talk about Chinese-related stocks. So you got stocks like JD trading up to around the $31 level now. Stock closed at $30.15. You could take a look at WB. That's catching a nice little bit as well, trading at $63.70. This closed at $62. You have stocks like MOMO, which is Momo, trading at $39.23, closed at $38.24. And stock like Alibaba, BABA, catching a little bit of a bid, trading at $185.40, closed at $182.45. So all of the Chinese-related names are higher. You also have some U.S. Stocks that are affected by China, like WYNN Resorts, catching a nice bid today. Stock closed at $119.32. Look at it's trading at $124 and a quarter. So nice little pop there. MGM, I believe, doing the same thing. Nice little pop for MGM, trading at $26.30, closed at $25.66. So a stock like MGM, if it got to around the $28.55, $28.60 level, I think that would be very, very good resistance and even a fading opportunity. When I look at LVS this morning, great move there. I don't see any levels that are coming into play. WYNN Resorts, which we talked about just a moment ago, that's another one that could actually still trade higher on the day, so we'll keep that on the radar as well. But nonetheless, all of these stocks are catching a big bid on the China expansion news, so we'll keep those on the radar today, and we'll see how this all plays out. We have some metal and mining names moving higher. Freeport-McMoRan catching a bid today. That's trading around $13.21, closed at $12.89. BHP Billiton trading at around $56.40. This closed at $54.68. And then you have RIO, which is Rio, trading at $60.80, closed at $58.86. So we'll see how this all shakes out a little bit later. We do have an earnings play out here. Cal-Maine Foods, CALM. That is catching a little bit of a bid, closed at $44.58. Now trading at $46.75. So Cal-Maine catching a little bit of a bid today. I'm not sure we're going to see this thing trade up too much from where it is now, but nonetheless, it is higher to say the least. We do have semiconductors higher. AMD catching a nice little bid on the news, trading at 26 and a quarter, closed at 25.52. Also, Micron, MU, catching a nice little pop. This closed at 41.33, now trading at 42.30. And it looks like we have NVIDIA up a little bit as well, trading at 182.99, closed at 179.58. So you get the picture here. China PMI lifting really all of the volatile names out here. So we'll see how today plays out. Nonetheless, a good start to the new quarter. Today is the first day of April. Let's see if this is an April Fool's. But right now, nonetheless, the market is starting out stronger. Let's take a look at Kellogg's. That's catching a bid today. Kellogg's closed at $58.38 on Friday, now trading at $57.65. Briefly got about up to the $58 level. Looks like they're going to sell their Keebler and Famous Amos brands. So we'll see if that deal does go through. But nonetheless, that stock has been beaten down, so finally catching a little bit of a bid. We'll see if it can hold itself up by the closing bell today, though. All right, let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures today are trading up $1.70. Gold was hit last week, so came under some pressure. Right now, spot gold trading around $1,300 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at $122.26. If you're looking at crude oil today, that's up another 65 cents to $60.78 a barrel. Nonetheless, crude has been strong to say the least, and it remains strong today. The USO, if you don't have a crude futures chart, this is a good ETF to track the movement in crude. You'll see this is trading around $12.65 today. So, again, crude on the move, and what can you say? It's one of these markets that are up really across the board, and we'll see what today brings by the closing bell. What I want to tell you guys today is if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2019, dynamite 2018. Volatility should come back shortly, so get ready. We're going to get lots and lots of action. We've got lots of moving parts out here today. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to wrap it up here. Short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.